Autophix 3210 Wireless OB2 is not a basic diagnostic scanner. Except for pass emissions and code clearing, it has many advanced features. The most important thing that I want to share with you is that 3210 not just reads vehicles' malfunction codes and gives you code definitions, but more importantly, tells you what the possible problems are with your vehicle, even if you know absolutely nothing about cars. Autophix 3210 has a BAT check function, which is unavailable for other OB scanners. Whether you live in sunny Arizona or the freezing Northeast, a healthy battery goes a long way. Autophix 3210 will record your car voltage charges, forming a curve, so you will know your battery health clearly. About the performance test, you will find that it can test your acceleration performance, brake test, and present data to you in tabular form. This piece of information is important because your safety is riding on it. Autophix 3210, a teeny tiny part of your car.